What's up, everybody? It's me, it's your boy, it's Team Cody. Today on Off-Road Agains, we're gonna do a follow-up video for the Flex Seal tire, because I know y'all been interested on will it seal a 35-inch tire. It's been about 3.5 weeks now, and just to show you, there's the seal. Yes, it used to have flex tape on it, but it fell off because the tire was dirty. We changed it from the front to the back just in case it fucking blows out while he's driving, because he has driven this a couple times on the road. But today what we're going to do is we're going to take her out back and we're going to let it eat to show you guys that yes, it did fucking seal. If you don't believe me, that's your problem. But I'm going to show you again. That's it. If you watch the video, you'll know. See? That's it. It did seal. It's still holding. It's still holding. For you those that have been wondering, Rooster's back. She's been under construction. She's loud. She's on open headers. There he is right there. Look at him. He doesn't even know. There he is, Team Jesse. Say what's up.
That's all I gotta say.
That's what's up. Warm that bitch up. Things warm up, we'll take them out back. Give you guys a clip. There he goes, moving. For those who didn't believe. We're gonna follow him out back. I'll get back with you when we're back there. All right.
Team Cody, Rooster.
Alright, here we go. Flex Seal on a 35-inch mud tire. 35-inch Kevlar mud tire. We're not doing anything crazy. We're just proving to you that it's sealed. And we told you we'd do a follow-up, so, and we'll keep doing them too. You know, when the winter comes, this shit will become more nasty by the day, but he'll probably just walk right up it. Don't forget, it's that tire right there, that back one. That one. Yep. Told you it would hold. I have no idea if he's in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. I guess we'll find out, huh? Underneath the black, we never changed the tires. We never changed it, did we?
Couldn't even feel it. Couldn't even feel the difference.
Nope.
Still feels like a brand new tire with less than 1,000 miles on it. Besides the fucking
That's for sure. Too bad there's no mud.
I know.